There are several factors that affect the value of a property, especially a development like this. Some of them include the location, and the other one is the cost of construction per square meter. That's why some of you ask me, Mungai Kihara, why is a 3-bedroom in Kitengela more affordable than a 3-bedroom in Ruiru? Two things involved. Kitengela is a less prime location compared to Ruiru, and the other factor is the cost of construction per square meter in Kitengela right now is ranging from 30,000 to 35,000 per square meters, whereas in Ruiru, the cost of construction right now is ranging from 38,000 per square meter to 45,000. When you do the whole sum, you'll get that the value of houses in Ruiru is higher compared to that in Kitengela. And because I know more than 3/4 of you don't understand these technicalities, let's get started. Welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara and welcome to the month of love, February 2024. And because I know some of you are very single, at least get some space in your heart to love this house. Come with me. This unit is a 3-bedroom all-en-suite with a plinth area of 150 square meters. This unit has been constructed on a 40 by 85 lot of land, and as you can see, it is very beautiful and well done. The unit comes surrounded with a perimeter wall, a razor wire, and an electric fence. And you have your 4-car parking. And I like it that the developer included some gardens for your flowers. Here we are at the entrance of this unit, and as you can see, the developer has done a very good job. I like the pattern of the perimeter wall. I like it that it comes with a sliding gate, and you have these 2 lights to make sure that your unit is secure during the night. Come inside. Before I take all of you to the inside of this unit, you can see that you have some spaces here for your flower gardens. I like it that the developer is already planning to do some flowers right now, and this is the entrance porch. As I know some of you are already liking what we are showcasing today, I like it that the developer did not do the normal metal casement door for this unit. What you have is an imported, very well done door. This is contributing to the 10 million Kenya shillings that the developer is demanding from you, and that is only for cash buyers. If you are going to do a mortgage, of course expect the price to be higher than that. This unit is coming with 2 windows, this massive window, and you have another one that is on the periphery of the dining area, just to make sure that this living room is getting maximum natural light. But during the night, you will get a ton of light from the lighting system that has been installed by the developer. First, you have some side lights. This is the center light, and as you can see, you have some recessed lights. Before we shift to any other part, I would like you to have a look at the gypsum ceilings and how they have been done very well. Okay, right now gypsum ceilings are becoming more of an outdated fashion, but I like it that this one has been done very well. At this space, this is where we have the dining area of this unit, and the space is big enough to fit maybe a 6-seater to an 8-seater dining set. I like the separation between the dining area and the kitchen. I like it that it comes with this space where you can do 2 or 3 chairs, right? For your breakfast table. For you to do a 10 million unit, of course you have to do a lot to prove the price. As you can see, the dining area, all the separation between the dining area and the kitchen comes with these 3 lights that are magnifying the beauty of this unit. The kitchen of this unit is here. It is massive, and for 150 square meters, you are getting a sizable kitchen. 2 things to like. The kitchen comes installed with a 4-burner cooktop, a heat extractor, and on this other side you have your oven. This space has been left for your microwave, and I like the partitioning of this kitchen because the cabinetry will be sufficient for all your kitchen works. The kitchen comes with these 2 lights just to make sure when you are doing your activities in the kitchen you will get a sufficient amount. This is the controller to the electric fence, just to make sure that this unit is 100% secure for you and your family. The kitchen comes with a double sink, and as you can see, you are getting a tilting faucet, and it is just next to the window. So from here, you can be peeping on your house help as she is washing or doing other duties in this unit. This is the rear side of this unit, and the developer has told me that this is where the clotheslines area will be installed. Your laundry area is there, and behind it you have the outside toilet. Before I show you those two, these are the pipes to the Biodigester. There is one thing that is very important, an outside toilet, and it comes in handy especially when you have visitors in the house and you do not want them to use the main toilets. This is the outside toilet, and as I mentioned earlier, this is a small store, or you can use it as the laundry area. I'm taking you back to the main unit. Through the kitchen to the dining area, this unit and many more will be in our website africanrealestate.com. If you have a unit and you are out there and you would want to sell it, just go up there, upload the details of that unit, and we'll help you push it. On another news, if you want to purchase a unit and you do not know if the unit itself is of a good condition or the papers are clean, you can always book a pre-purchase inspection with us, and we will help you verify all those details. On my right hand side, you have the bedroom areas of this unit, and at the center, you have the second bedroom. This is the first bedroom, and on my far right, you have the primary bedroom. Let's start from my left hand side. Come inside. This is the first bedroom. It is the smallest. I like one thing, that the closet is matching very well to the walling of this house. One thing to note is that this is not the final coat to this unit. If you want us to do a different color, or you want us to do the final coat with the same color, that can always be done. I like it that the closet is sufficient for your kids or maybe your guests. It comes with 3 drawers here. These are the spaces for your shoes. You have an extra cabinetry up there, and these are the spaces for your hangable clothes, and some extra spaces for the foldable clothes down there. This bedroom comes with its bathroom here. It is adopting a similar concept to the one that you'll see in the next bedroom, and the bedroom comes with a window here for natural light. As I said earlier, the second bedroom is here, and from the entrance you are welcomed by the bathroom to this bedroom. As you can see, it is not the biggest. It comes with a WC here. This is the space for your showering, and you have an outside wash basin. Why you have it here, I have no idea. One thing that I like about this bedroom, it is slightly bigger than the one that we saw. It comes with a slightly bigger closet, but it is adopting a similar concept. And on this other side, the bedroom is coming with a slightly bigger window compared to the one that we saw in the first bedroom. Let's see the primary bedroom. If there is something that makes us to keep going, is the comment section and the love that you give us. As we are working very hard to get to 50,000 subscribers, I like sometimes how you comment on the things that we do. But last time I got a comment that, Mongai Kihara, why do you keep mentioning the kids' bedroom or the parents' bedroom? It's not all of us who have kids, and it's not all of us who are married or want to get married. We totally understand that the world is waking up, but before it does, please give us some slack. This is the primary bedroom. It is the biggest, and I like it that it is facing the front side of this unit. It comes with the biggest window for maximum natural light, and as you can see, the lights are off, and the lighting of this space is mwah. On this other side, you have the primary closet. I don't think that this is the biggest space for you and your partner. especially if your shopping habits have not improved from last year. This space comes with its bathroom on this other side. Come see it. And as you can see, it comes with a vanity setup and a smart mirror. And behind me, you have the showering area. The showering area will be sufficient for 2 people. I like it that it comes with a towel holder, this beautiful platform, and a soap dish. And because I know most of you are Africans, this is where you'll use as your soap holder. This bathroom comes with a WC, and that's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you'd want to purchase this unit, as I said earlier, the price is 10 million for cash buyers. So make sure you call us in the numbers attached in the first comment, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, I'll go back because this sun wants to kill me.